Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss the chapter that is Holy Panchayat. It is being translated from Hindi to English. In Hindi you might have read about the chapter that is Panch Parmeshwar. It is being translated into English, that is the Holy Panchayat. It is being written by Munshi Premchand. Now let's start with the chapter. First I am going to discuss with the characters of chapter that we are going to study about. The first one is Algu Chaudhary. The second one is Juman Sheikh. Third one is Juman Sheikh's aunt. And fourth one is Samju Sahu. Now Algu Chaudhary and Juman Sheikh are very close friends. And Samju Sahu is a trader. Now let's start with the summary of chapter. As I told you earlier, Algu Chaudhary and Juman Sheikh are very close friends. They are partners in farming. They do their dealings jointly. Juman used to pamper his aunt a lot. Now there was a reason why he used to pamper his aunt a lot. The reason behind this was that he wanted that his aunt should transfer her property in the name of Juman. So till the aunt has not transferred the property in the name of Juman, he used to pamper her a lot. And when it was transferred, everything got changed. He does not bother even about his aunt, about her well-being or anything. Now what happened? The aunt was very frustrated now. She started asking Juman that he should give him some monthly expenditure. But Juman said, "No, I'm not going to give you any monthly expenditure." To which aunt threatened him that I will go to Panchayat. To which Juman was very much okay. Okay, let's go to Panchayat. Now, the Panchayat was gathered under a tree and Juman's aunt presented her case. Now it was turn of that old woman to choose someone as Sarpanch. She decided that she is going to choose Juman's very close friend. You know that who is very close friend of Juman? That is Algu Chaudhary. She chose Algu Chaudhary as Sarpanch. And Algu Chaudhary felt very odd why that lady chose him as Sarpanch. He was not interested in being Sarpanch and he told aunt, "You know that I am his friend." To which that old woman replies, "Algu, you know that no one butters his iman for friendship. God resides in heart of Panch. Whatever Panch says is the word of God." In Juman was very happy in his hunt because he thought that the decision will be in favor of him. But something went against him now. As Algu heard the case, he announced the judgment. So it was decided that Juman Sheikh should pay monthly allowance to aunt. When Juman heard it, he felt very odd. Years passed now. Algu purchased a handsome pair of oxen from Balitsar. And that pair of oxen was of punching breed. Oxen means bell. Suddenly, one of the oxen died. And he thought the oxen died after a month. Algu has given the happened when Algu has given his decision in Panchayat. So he thought, might Juman be responsible, or he thought it may be Juman who may have given poison to the ox in order to take revenge. So what he decided? He decided to sell the other ox to Samju Sahu. That was a trader. So he sold his other ox to Samju Sahu, and Samju Sahu did not pay the money. So what happened? Samju Sahu used to take a lot of work from ox. He used to double the load on that ox and hardly used to give any food to the ox. So what will be the result? The result was very bad. One day the ox collapsed, and after a month or so, when this Algu Chaudhary went to Samju Sahu for asking the price of the ox that he gave him, he and his wife started abusing Algu Chaudhary. So what now they decided? They decided to let's go to the panchayat. Now this time tables turned. How the tables turned? Samju now chose his friend, that is Juman Sheikh, as Sarpanch. Now what happened? Now it was turn of Juman Sheikh to take the decision. As he was decided Sarpanch, he took a very good decision. He said Samju Sahu that he needs to pay the money or the price to Algu Chaudhary because he has taken ox from him, and ox was not suffering from any kind of disease. It was Samju Sahu who was at fault. Algu was so happy with the decision of Samju Chaudhary that he cried and he said, "Victory to Panch Parmeshwar." Here Parmeshwar means supreme. Now here Juman Sheikh told him that when when his friend took a decision against him, he felt very bad. He felt very, very bad. He was quite frustrated. But now he is feeling that while sitting on the seat of judgment or while being Sarpanch, it is duty of Sarpanch not to think anyone, not to think